Various Chhatrodal unit leaders and activists once again blocked the capital's Shahbag intersection this morning amid rain, demanding justice for the murder of Dhaka University student and organization leader Shahriar Alam Shammo. As a result, commuters facing difficulties moving through Shahbag in the rain. A large number of Chhatrodal activists and leaders were chanting different slogans protesting negligence in the investigation into the Shammo murder case and demanding the arrest and trial of the killers. They also warned that if the government showed a lack of sincerity in arresting and prosecuting Shammo's killers, they would lay siege to the state guest house Jamuna, the chief advisor's residence. Shammo, a student of Dhaka University, was killed in a stabbing by assailants near Sohrawardi Udyan on night of May 13. He was the Literary and Publication Affairs Secretary of Chhatrodal's A.F. Rahman Hall unit and a student from 2018-19 academic session at the Institute of Education and Research.
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।